Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to download and use Gemini Storybook on PC with a complete step-by-step guide. Gemini Storybook is a fantastic feature that lets you create beautiful illustrated storybooks with AI-generated images and read-aloud narration. Let's get started first. Open your web browser and go to gemini.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. On the left side menu, look for Gems or click on Explore Gems. In the list, find and click on Storybook. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar inside Gems to find Storybook. Once you are in the Storybook interface, you can start creating. Simply type a description of the story you want. For example, create a 10-page storybook about a brave little fox who learns to fly in a magical forest. You can also add specific details like style, characters, or upload your own photos to include in the story. Gemini will generate a complete illustrated storybook with multiple pages, images, and narration. After the storybook is ready, you can read it, listen to the AI narration, and make changes by telling Gemini what to edit. To save or download the storybook on your PC, click the share icon in the top right corner. Select the print option, then choose Save as PDF from your printer settings. This will download the full storybook as a clean PDF file on your computer. You can also share it as a link or download individual pages as images. This method works perfectly on Windows, Mac, and Chromebook. The free version allows you to create several storybooks, while paid plans give higher limits and better quality. That's it. This is how you can easily access and download Gemini Storybook on PC. It is one of the most creative and fun features in Gemini right now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.